The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video I'm gonna let you know that how you can send free email to your customers. So if you know that I have already shown you some methods what you can use to get emails for your customers or your leads. So in my previous videos I also shown you that how you can send up to 1000 emails per day free. With email marketing you can promote your affiliate products, and how you can collect all the targeted audience emails and phone numbers. Anyway, so let's see how we can send emails in this video without using any third-party software or tools, installing in our desktop or using other email marketing platforms. And it's absolutely free and you can do it as many as you want, and it is a automated version for email marketing, just a unique technique. I hope maybe if you are advanced you already know that, but if you are newbie like me, then it's good for you to start that email marketing with affiliate promotion. So let's see, but before I start the tutorial, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. So for getting our Facebook group link, just you have to click here and you will see that this link will open, and here you can just send your request to join this group, and in this group you will see a lot of tools and methods. If you want, you can just post here, but make sure that you don't do any spam thing, then it will automatically send you to the blog session. So let's start the video. So at first in your search bar type Google Calendar, and after you search with that, you will see that first link. Just click here and it will take you to the Google Calendar tool. Now here you have to sign in with the email what you are gonna use for sending emails. Now here, as it's a Google product, so you have to use Gmail for sending emails. Now here, if you don't know how to collect target emails, so far I have shared a technique with that sharp trigger tool, that how you can get target audience emails. Anyway, so after you come here in your Google Calendar, click here on create. Now after you click on create, you will see this box will pop up, and here you can give your email subject line what you want to give for your product. So it's you have to give your product, you have to give your subject line based on the product what you are promoting, based on the affiliate product. Okay, now if you want to send them daily or weekly mails automatically, just select this option here. Now here at guest section you have to give all the target audience emails. So for this one I will use one of my emails to show you the proof that it will appear in the inbox directly, and for the other emails here I'm gonna use my group subscribers. So you know that whoever try to join our Facebook group, they give their email address to this email. So I will just get all their emails or some emails from the subscribers and use them to send that calendar event. Now if you notice, you will see there is an option for guest permission. So here you have to uncheck these two options and check the middle option, and for the Google Meeting you have to cancel that Google Meeting option. And now what you collect from which location, you can select the location if you want, and if you don't want to give any location, you can just leave it blank. And the most important part is here in description you have to add all the details and features of your affiliate product, what you are going to promote for your subscribers, for your targeted emails, for your leads. So type here the description of the sales letter, how beautiful or how effective you can make it. And for the affiliate link, I mean for the tracking link, for the promotional link, you can just make it as anchor link. Just type here in text and click your insert link, and here you have to give your tracking link, affiliate offer link, or the CP offer link, what you want to get for the lead, and then click on OK. Now you can see that it's do follow link. And if you want to add some attachment, like if you want to add any ebooks or any image or GIF, you can add this as well. Now after you have done all these things, now you can just save it, or if you want to get some more options, you can do it as well. Now you can make it a free, or if you want to color the host name, so I mean the email what you are sending, you can do it like this and make it as private. After you all done with these settings, you can just simply save, and it will ask you to do you want to send the emails or not. So just click on send, and if you want that to schedule the time, you can do it yourself. You can see above there. Now as it asks for sending, just click on send, and you can see that it just send all the emails to my list. Now turn on sharing means if they share that link to others, they will also able to see the link you sent in the event. Now let's say I just get the email here. Okay, so you can see the subject line and the name from which email I send the event, and here's the subject line. And if you scroll down, you will see that there is the description, the link, and the attachment as well. And the most important part, each email, they will not able to see the other emails. I mean these emails are appear in the inbox of individually all the targeted emails. So this is a good point for our marketing. So that's all for today. I hope you like this, and if you feel that it's confusing you, or if you want to ask any more questions, you can just comment below there. And make sure that you can also join our Facebook group as well. So thanks, have a great day, see you soon with a new tutorial.